Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to believe that there's much in everything that meets the eye. We may have some different perspective in some things. This one is based only on my personal interpretation. So this one tells the chart frog. It's an amphibian. Frog, they have the different kinds of frog in this chart. So a little child says that if you were going to think the word frog, they may love, they will be happy for it because they were playing with it. Thank you.